Dear children, let us understand the two rules of refraction in this video. Here is an interface or a boundary between two media. Above this boundary is medium 1. Below this boundary is medium 2. These two media are transparent. The first medium, medium 1, is optically rarer. The second medium, medium 2, is optically denser. If suppose an incident ray of light falls obliquely on the boundary between the two media, this is the incident ray of light which is falling obliquely from medium 1 and it is falling at the boundary between medium 1 and medium 2. Let us see what is going to happen to the refracted ray. First, at this point of incidence, we are going to make a normal. This normal is an imaginary line at the point of incidence which is perpendicular to the boundary between the two media. So, this is the normal. Now, if suppose this incident ray would have gone straight, it would have gone straight like this without bending. However, now we know that when the incident ray of light falls obliquely and it is going from one transparent medium to another, it is going to bend its path. There's going to be variation in the direction of propagation of light. So this incident ray of light, instead of going straight in the same direction, is going to change its direction. But the rule is that when the ray of light is falling obliquely on the boundary between the two media, and if it is going from optically rarer to optically denser medium, then it is going to bend. And how is it going to bend? It is going to bend towards the normal. So this is how it is going to bend. And let us see one more thing in this case. This is the angle of incidence, the angle between the incident ray and the normal at the point of incidence. Look at the angle of refraction. In this case, the angle of refraction is less than the angle of incidence. Let us see the second rule. If there is an incident ray of light falling obliquely at the boundary between the two media, and if it is going from optically denser to optically rarer medium, let us see how it is going to bend. First, we are going to make our normal at the point of incidence. So this is the normal. Had this ray gone straight, it would have gone like this. However, it is not going to go straight in the same direction. It is going to bend its path. This is refraction of light and it is bending because of the change in the speed of light. So it is going to bend in such a manner that it goes away from the normal. So when a ray of light is falling obliquely from one medium to another and it is going from optically denser to optically rarer medium, it is going to bend away from the normal. This is the angle of incidence and this is the angle of refraction, which is much bigger than the angle of incidence. Always remember, children, the ray of light is bending when it is falling obliquely on the boundary between the two media. It will not bend if the incident ray falls along the normal. However, the speed of light still changes when the incident ray of light goes from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. The speed of light will change, but the bend is observed only when the incident ray falls obliquely on the boundary between the two media. If the incident ray falls straight along the normal like this, it is going to go straight. It will not bend. However, the speed of light is still changing.